Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another candle review. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back, y'all. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, because let me know what you think about this candle that I'm getting ready to review. Also, y'all, don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to hit the bell, y'all. Also, I know I got a lot. Follow your girl on Instagram, because we're trying to get our numbers all the way up over there as well. So do all those things. Let's get to the video. Before I get to the video, I cannot forget my MVP players. If you watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, you watching them, whether it's a vlog, whether it's Bath and Body Works, whether it's just anything, you watching it, you are my MVP person of the channel, and you keep me posting. So thank you for always supporting your girl. Let's get into the video. Let's get into this review, because this candle right here, amazing, y'all. Spiced vanilla cupcake. Oh my goodness, spiced vanilla cupcake is amazing. Spiced vanilla frosting, fluffy angel food cupcake, and cinnamon sugar. That's the scent notes in this. Somebody left a comment and said, why don't I ever read the scent notes instead of showing them? I actually do both. I always show the candle like this, and then I read it. I'm just saying, shout out to you, because you know who you are. Shout out to you. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for leaving that comment. I'm just saying. The packaging, y'all, I actually really like this packaging with the rose gold lid, and then the rose gold at the bottom, and then this ombre. It's like a green, and it fades into this yellow, and then it's like a really light rose gold color as well. Y'all could see that, and I'm sure y'all already seen this candle, because these candles actually have been out for a while. It's just that I'm just now getting to burn this candle. Yes, I put it on the warmer, and it was amazing. Wow. And yesterday was the first day that I burnt the candle. As you do see, the wick has a little bit of mushrooming on them. White wax. Didn't have any issues with this candle pulling out, but the wicks, very high flame, very high flame. So make sure you trim your wicks, or you will get a lot of that sooting. So make sure you do that. Also, this candle is so good. Usually with any vanilla based candle, we all know that they don't really throw good. Only one that I actually really love, and y'all know I really ride for this one, is that smoked vanilla candle by Bath and Body Works. Amazing. Also, y'all, got my coffee break. Let's get back to it. Yes, that smoked vanilla candle at Bath and Body Works is amazing. All of Bath and Body Works other vanilla scented candles do not throw good at all, and I think the reason why this candle throws really good is because it has that spice in it. Even though it's only cinnamon sugar, I don't know why they're calling this spiced. I don't get that part, because it's just the frosting is the spiced part. Spiced vanilla frosting. So maybe that's the reason, that's where we're getting that spiced from. Oh my god, this is so good. It's not like the Hello Sunshine candle, the tropical spice. It's not heavy spice like that, but it most definitely could be in that same family, that same spiced family. This candle is good, and you actually do smell that frost in it. Ah, this is good. And then for me, I do get that cake note, and I do get that I get more spice than vanilla. This is good. I really like this candle, and I did burn it like I burn all of my candles. Y'all know I burn my candles all day, even though Bath and Body Works says you only supposed to burn these candles, I think, up to 2 to 4 hours, I believe. I don't even put that on there no more. Yeah, you're only supposed to burn your candles, I think, 4 hours. I don't know, but do what you do. I'm gonna do what I do. And I know a lot of people say you shouldn't burn your candles that long, but I do. And it's probably bad because some candles can't hold that. For example, the ice cream bar candle, that candle for me is not made to be burned for a long period of time. For me, that candle starts smelling like trash for some reason. I don't know why. It starts off really good, and I really like the candle, but the longer I burn the candle, the more it starts smelling just like trash or whatever. And I probably like garbage. I shouldn't say that, because I don't know if I'm just burning the candle, like scorching the candle. And that's the reason why they say you shouldn't burn your candle more than 3 to 4 hours, because you actually scorch the candle and it changed the scent of the wax. Most definitely with vanilla scented candles, you cannot burn them super long, or any, I think it's any cream based candle. It kind of changed the scent a little bit. So, but with this candle, the longer I burned it, it seemed like it was giving me like a honey note, like a clove or something. That's what I kept smelling, and that's the reason why I could not blow it out, because I was really enjoying that that honey like scent, even though there's no honey in this candle. And I just think it was just the fact that it was just so hot that it kind of changed the scent a little bit. If y'all burn this candle and you burn it for a long period of time, let me know if you smell honey from this candle, because I do, and I actually really like it. So that's the reason why I wanted to hurry up and do this video, this review, because I really want to burn this candle again today. I most definitely will be getting some backups of this candle, because it's amazing to me. I really like it. And I didn't even think I was gonna like this candle, because I only bought one just to try it. But it's amazing. I really like it. So leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about this spiced vanilla cupcake candle? I think the top note for this candle is that spiced vanilla frosting. For me, that's what I smell a whole lot of that vanilla, the spices. This is good. And then I love the packaging as well. Love these rose gold lids. So nice, so nice. So that's gonna be my take on this candle. I know it's not a long video, but it's an amazing candle. And the throw, I didn't even mention the throw. The throw is a good 8 or 7. No issues with the throw. This most definitely will fill your house. It's not like a summer boardwalk candle. It's not like that, because you know that one throws like a champ. This one throws pretty good, so I would say it's probably a good 8, high 7, a really good 8. So yes, amazing throw. Love it. So leave in the comments, let me know what do you think about this spiced vanilla cupcake candle. And did you get your hands on it when it first released? This has been released for a couple of weeks now, I believe. And it's a couple of candles that came in this collection. I know I got tea rose and this one, and I can't even think of what was the other ones that came with this collection. So yeah, that's my take on spiced vanilla cupcake candle. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments. Let me know, what candle have you really been crazy about? The candle that you just been burning every single day and you cannot get enough of it. Let me know what that candle is. So far now, y'all know I change my candles up every single day. I burn a different candle, but I'm doing a repeat. I'm getting ready to relight this candle because I like it that much. So let me know in the comments, what is the candle that you just cannot get enough of? No matter how many days you burn this candle, you gotta keep burning it. Leave that in the comment area. And then I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm just saying, follow your girl on Instagram. That's all I'm saying. Follow your girl on Instagram and hit the bell. Hit that bell. All right. Peace.